Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am once again participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by the lovely Krista from Crafty Kitty. And this is the Valentine's Tablescape collaboration. In this collaboration, she's asking that we shop our home, a thrift store, or a dollar store, and to create a tablescape for Valentine's Day. And using items I had on hand, I came up with this tablescape. I'll be inserting pictures of items that I used and little DIYs that I created. This is set up for a dessert party for my little nieces and nephews. Even though I have wine glasses, I will be pouring milk in those glasses for my little nieces and nephews. This is just a fancy little get-together for them. I'll be placing cookies, marshmallows, and little candies, Valentine candies on the bottom with their milk. I created the centerpiece using a glass. I just put some pebbles on the bottom and I inserted this palm that I took from a palm, and I just inserted there with these blossoms from the 99-cent store, and I picked up the blossoms for 25 cents. Using little glass votives from the 99-cent store that I paid 25 cents for them. And then I thrifted these candles a while back. I don't remember the price on those. I believe they came in a big old bag with a bunch of stuff. This is a little bird that I also picked up from the 99-cent store a while back, and I think I paid like 33 cents. This lighted glass heart was sent to me by my good friend Lila Artsy. And a wreath that I picked up from the thrift store for $1 that I created with some clearance lighted bulbs from Target that I purchased last year. I picked up 2 packages of the wine glasses. I picked up this metal tin from the thrift store and I paid 48 cents. I am corralling my wine glasses in the other half. I purchased small plates from the 99-cent store and I picked up 2 packages. This is just 1 package. I also picked up these rose gold spoons and a rose gold metal dish scrubber. So what I did is I just inserted the spoons into the scrubber, and that's how I'm going to display them or keep them together. And here's another plate, and I just have white paper towels on there. I also picked up these sprays of stars that I picked up at the 99-cent store for 25 cents, and I used these on my Christmas tree. I also picked up the rose gold beads from the 99-cent store. I picked up 2 packages. Only 1 is on the table. Here's another centerpiece that I created. I'm not sure what this would be called, but a bud holder. And I just put a dog collar on it. And I picked up these dog collars at the 99-cent store for 25 cents. So I bought a bunch of them because they had boxes and boxes. So I think I picked up maybe $2 worth of these dog collars, and I'm using them to keep my junk journal together, so I have them on my books. I inserted some bamboo sticks that I was gonna use for another project, so I just inserted them in the jar. And this is a empty tapatio jar and another sprig of blossoms that I picked up from the 99-cent store for 25 cents. And there's another centerpiece. This is what I'm using for my centerpieces and to display the cookies. These are some candle holders or vase holders. I'm not sure what they are, but I'm using them as tiers to hold up that second plate. The only thing I purchased was this tin for 48 cents. And I was going to do a DIY with it. I was going to paint it rose gold, but then I decided that's too much rose gold and something needs to stand out. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now. If I decide to paint it later on, then I will. I would like to thank Krista for hosting this collaboration. She's always coming up with these fun collaborations for all of us to participate in. I'll be linking below Krista's channel and her playlist. So this is it. This is how I'm going to have it set up for my little nieces and nephews for their little sweet Valentine party of cookies, marshmallows, and milk. And for sure some candy. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Happy Valentine's Day.